All right, so let's do another video. So I'm in the shade now, you know, looking all good. By the way, these are very expensive. No, I'm only joking. They're like D-Milk, very cheap glasses. No, I'm only joking. They're very expensive. Anyway, yeah, what was I gonna say? You know, I want to talk to you about respect, right? Why you should learn to respect your elders, you know, especially when you come down to a hot country, you know, when you come down to the center of the planet, yeah. Learn to respect elders, you know. Sometimes it's not about your money, right? I don't know, I think it's a generational thing, maybe because I'm born in a certain generation, you know. We learn to respect our elders big time, you know. We always look at every elder as a father figure in a sense, you know. We respect our brothers, but there's a structure there, right? So, but I notice now, maybe the younger generation, they don't really care for that much. I don't know what. Maybe they've been eating too much KFC or too much McDonald's. Maybe all that I don't know, too much dopamine in their brain. Is it dopamine or dopamine? One of them. I think it's dopamine, you know, that excitement, you know, when you're just about to you know, to release, you know, you get that wonderful excitement. But yeah, learn to respect your elders. You know, I saw an incident. I was in Guinea, and I thought that was a very also interesting incident. You know, young boy shouting at an old man because the old man stepped on his feet. You know, it was a stupid, man. It was really stupid stuff. So you know, if you're born in 200 or 2000, you know, 2000. You know, have respect for your elders, you know. Well, it's down to you to respect who you want to respect. Anyway, I'm being serious on a serious note. You know, have respect for your elders. It goes away, you know, if you don't know a country. You know, please and thank you. Those are very important things, you know, to have, you know. I'm a little bit dirty today. Look at my dirty shoes. You see how dirty my shoes are. I'm in the bush right now. I'm a bushman today, so I'm living the bushman life. But I want to show you something. You see how some people work hard, right? And some people are just home chilling. You know, there's difference between working hard and just staying home and relaxing, right? It's good to work, you know. I'm in a nice little, this is my house, by the way. It's my feature house, you know. This is my feature room. Look how tiny it is. This is where I'm gonna come and live in. I'm gonna live in the bush now, become a bushman, and then eat only green stuff. I should be a comedian. I'm only joking, but anyway,